Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled cucumbers. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cucumbers, vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices like dill and garlic. Next, wash and slice your cucumbers. You can cut them into spears, chips, or leave them whole if they are small. Finally, sterilize your jars and lids to create a safe environment for your pickles. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts vinegar and water, along with your pickling salt. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a small amount of sugar. Incorporate any extra spices you desire, such as mustard seeds or peppercorns. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the salt and sugar completely dissolve, then remove it from the stove. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Arrange your cucumber slices and fresh dill sprigs tightly into the sterilized jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely covered. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and secure them with new, clean lids, tightening them to a firm seal. Once your jars are sealed, let them cool completely to room temperature on your counter. After cooling, transfer them to the refrigerator. Your delicious homemade pickles will be ready to enjoy after chilling for at least 24 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. For the best taste, consume them within a few weeks. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.